Supreme Court has ruled that the Prime Minister Cares Fund money cannot be directed to be deposited in the National Disaster Relief Fund. And MOSPMO has tweeted that the Supreme Court of India upholds the validity of PM Cares Fund, refuses to instruct government to transfer fund to NDRF, hope that should send out a message loud and clear. First reaction that we are picking up from the Centre MOSPMO who has taken to Twitter to in fact laud this particular move by the Supreme Court, this decision that has been made by the Supreme Court, saying, and I quote once again, Supreme Court of India upholds the validity of PM Cares Fund, refuses to instruct government to transfer fund to NDRF, hope that should send out a message loud and clear. Nalini, our legal correspondent, joining us with more details on all that transpired in the top court this morning. Nalini, suddenly being looked at as a setback for the lobby that was questioning the very idea of coming out with the PM Cares Fund and now diversion of funds as well.
Well, absolutely. By the Supreme Court on this very aspect. But at the same time, let me highlight some details of this petition. This petition was filed by an NGO that is currently being run by Prashant Bhushan, and had actually filed this petition in the Supreme Court asking for all funds that were collected under the PM Cares Fund to be transferred to the NDRF fund. So in that regard, the Supreme Court has said that these are two separate funds, the NDRF and the PM Cares Fund, and there is no need to transfer the fund as such, but it is up to the central government to decide whether or not this needs to be done. At the same time, we've also gone ahead and said that anybody is open to donating either to the PM Cares Fund or to the NDRF fund. But the reason why the PM Cares Fund was set up, and this is what the central government had told the Supreme Court, is to specifically tackle the COVID crisis, considering it was an unprecedented situation that the country was facing at that particular time. So some immediate steps needed to be taken. In addition to that, under the NDRF Act, the National Disaster Management Act, there is a certain procedure that is laid down for funds to be donated to the NDRF, which can then be utilized for the benefit of the citizens. But when it came to the PM Cares Fund, what the central government has said is that it is for the benefit of all the people across the states and across class lines to ensure that each and every person in the country can get benefits of the PM Cares Fund, and that is essentially why it was set up. So with that regard, the Supreme Court has said that there is no necessity.
Absolutely. A big development indeed, and several political reactions already trickling in that money from PM Cares Fund cannot be transferred to NDRF. That's what the Supreme Court has ruled. Once again, back-to-back reactions coming in. Thank you, Nalini, for that. MOSPMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh has also